What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 956 Flips. If you're new to the channel, I go to the pawn shop, flea markets, thrift stores, garage sales, pretty much anywhere I can pick up merchandise to add to my collection to resell also. That's what I do on this channel. If this content interests you, please hit that subscribe button. Also, those of you that are subscribed, appreciate you guys watching. Let's get into today's video. Before we do that, there is a membership link for $1.99 if you guys want to check it out. It'll help out the channel. Let's get started. Alright, today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to do a top 5 in a random order. Couldn't decide which was my favorite place to pick up merchandise to resell. So let's get started. eBay. I bought merchandise on eBay. If you've seen my previous videos, you know that I pick up merchandise from eBay. Usually consoles, but there's other stuff to pick up and resell consoles, games. There's also action figures, plushies, pretty much anything you can find a deal on to pick it up, and you can even resell it on eBay. My next favorite place is the pawn shop. Like I said, this is going to be in a random order. Pawn shops usually have pretty good deals. There's some here locally that don't, but I've picked up some good stuff from the pawn shops, especially broken consoles. A lot of times they take in consoles that are working and they just don't work, so they sell them at a cheaper price. Garage sales is another big place. I found some decent stuff at garage sales. I haven't hit a home run at a garage sale, but I found some good stuff. Check out my previous previous videos to check them out. There's quite a few for garage sales. I don't usually record while I'm at the garage sale, but I'll record afterwards and show you guys what I picked up. Next place is the thrift store. I couldn't decide between this one and the next one as being the best to me. They're all really, really good. I live like 2 minutes away from Goodwill, so usually every day I hit up Goodwill, and I found some decent stuff. Uh, you know, I think the most expensive thing I found was a plushie that's worth like 200 bucks. Haven't sold it yet, but it's still there. I consistently pick up good stuff and make a decent amount of money on thrift stores. And then there is the flea market. I've been going to the flea market for years. Um, I've picked up some really, really good stuff and made some real good money. A couple of things. I bought some Saturn games. I think it was like 2 or 3 years ago. It was 4 Saturn games for 12 bucks, and 2 of them were Mega Mans. And right now those are ridiculously priced. Also picked up some Pokemon booster packs. They were not first edition, but the first base set, which had the Charizard. I ended up picking up those boxes for 30 bucks, and back then I sold them for 700 and 800 a piece. Now those boxes are about $25,000 a piece. So you never know what you're going to find at the flea market. Alright guys, that's it. That's my top 5 areas to buy and resell. Hope you guys liked the video. We'll catch you guys tomorrow.